Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a figure of a person and we'll be having a falling shadow. So what we are going to do is just put in a person quickly to begin this quick exercise. So I'm just doing right now, I'm doing a stick figure, but of course that's only for the framework, and what we intend to do is put some kind of frame around this guy so that he looks more like a regular person, at least from that angle. Right, and so it's like a walking person in that direction. Now I think it will be advisable to just fill this guy out. And leave a little sense of light where we can. For example, this part is, the part from this side is illuminated with light, because we do need a light source to cast a shadow, so we will use that light source. I actually darkened the whole arm there, and I'll do that just to show a little bit of light on that end as well. So now we are going to do a looping long shadow. So that is the surface, and so this shadow, you have to determine the area till about here. So we will try to follow as much as we can. It's already outstretched, and also, but the perspective is that, so it's all essentially flat. And there we have one type of shadow going right about there. Okay, so now let's say that the same figure is standing like right here. We're going to, as you have guessed it, move the light source to a different side. So the light source is coming from this side this time on. So I am putting in some tones and shadows away from okay, so light hitting him from this side, and again, like, the details there are not as important, but now here I'm going to show that it's so that because of the light falling this way, but I'm going to maintain an angle slightly different from this. Like, we do not necessarily need to replicate what we have here. So what we'll do is we're going to move a little further and make a longer looping shadow right there, because again, light is a fascinating thing, and it, with the slightest placement of the of the source, you achieve different outcomes. So here we have a long stretched shadow, and how detailed you have to make it is all up to you, but the important thing is that you have to maintain a sort of a perspective all through. So just filling this out. Just so there we have it. I'm just going to smudge this out just to make it look a little more even, a little better, because shadows are not, after all, supposed to have lines, but this is done very quickly. So in normal circumstances you will take more time to put an even shadow out, but that is two different perspectives on looping long shadows. Thank you for watching. Please let us have your comments and suggestions, and please stay tuned for more videos. Do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.